How to make a simple HTML website in Claude. Even if you are absolute beginner, you can create your own HTML address, web address in Claude. So open your Claude and here you're gonna type the customization of the web address you want to create. I'm gonna create the simplest as possible, so it's gonna be quick. For example, the simple prompt, make me a simple HTML web address, hair salon, minimalist style. You can also enter here the web address which you want to copy. This one is pretty simple. You can customize the fonts, you can customize all the features of your web address, the header, the footer. If you want to add some calendar or booking system, etc. So now I'm gonna press enter and now it's creating my new HTML web address. So wait until it's loaded, and you don't need the pro version of Claude. You can use it in free version. But keep in mind you have some limits in free version. When you want to make some changes, it's gonna eat some tokens. It needs to create it again. So it's simpler to do it in pro version, but it's also available in free version. So now it should be done. On the right side gonna be the preview of the website, the HTML website. So if you scroll down, you can see all the features, navigation, about section, testimonials, bookings, CTA, etc., footer. And here is the HTML file, and you want to open it in your browser. You can open it in Safari. I got the Brave browser. Before that, make sure to download that HTML web address. And I'm gonna open it in my web browser and it looks like this. So this was the prompt and this is the result. For many people it might be enough. This is just the draft, but you don't have to pay someone to create the website, hundreds and thousands of dollars. You can always customize it. So for example, if you want to change some text, some font, increase the sections, change your prices, you can always do it here in your chat, in your Claude. Also, you can run this HTML web address. If you have the Hostinger, it's very cheap hosting. You can get off 20% if you use my referral code in the video description. And I'm gonna show you how to run this created HTML web address into Hostinger. So go to your website and create a domain or create a website, and you need to open dashboard and open the file manager. And in your file manager you need to open public HTML and remove this HTML index.html. Click the trash bin, and here you need to upload that file which you created. So it's this one. Now it's here, and now you have to rename it and rename it like it was before, index.html. It should be done. I'm gonna refresh, go back to your Hostinger, and you can open that web page. And this is your new web page created in the Claude AI for free, and then you can connect it to the new domain right here in your Hostinger. And I think it's the cheapest way possible to make a website, also good looking website if you play with it. So that's how you can create it. If you have any questions, make sure to comment. Also make sure to subscribe. Use the Hostinger link in the video description, and see you next time.